Hi guys, welcome back to Rocking Support. I'm Arup Roy and today we are going to install the latest stable MySQL version that most people are using in 2026. MySQL 8.0.45 Server plus MySQL Workbench on Windows 10/11. Whether you're learning database for college, preparing for interviews, building projects with Node.js, Python, Java, PHP, or just want to practice SQL, this is the exact version most companies and courses are still using right now. So let's make it super easy and install both server and workbench correctly in under 10 minutes. Hit that like button if you're excited. And let's rock. First, open your browser and go to dev.mysql.com/downloads or just type MySQL installer download. Click the big blue button, MySQL installer for Windows. You will see two choices, web installer, approximately 2 megabytes. Choose this one, recommended, full installer, approximately 450 megabytes. Click download. No thanks, just start my download. While it's downloading, let me tell you, we're going to pick exactly 8.0.45 during setup. That's the sweet spot. Most tutorials, college courses and companies still use in 2026. It is installer window. Choosing a setup, type, click custom to next.